In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook language on iPhone. So there are two ways to do this. You can do this right on the Facebook app page, and you can also change the Facebook language on your iPhone. So if I don't do this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to change your Facebook language on your iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, scroll down and click on general. Once you selected general, you want to scroll down, click on language and region. Then come to preferred language and add language you want to change your Facebook language to. Here, let's go ahead and change the Facebook language to, let's say, French. Then choose either of this. Then select that. Then choose what that says use English language. If you like to use French as your primary language, just say use English language. And then select that. You can see updating language. This is going to update the language to French from English while keeping UK language. Then once that is done, hit the back button. Then if you see the French language added to the preferred language on your iPhone language region, hit the back button once, click on it again, and then scroll down until you get to the Facebook application and click to open it. Then click on that, open the Facebook app. Then come down here under preferred language and click on language. Then once you select the language, you want to go ahead and select French. Then select that, hit the back button. There you go. Now go back and open the Facebook application on your iPhone. Then wait for the Facebook application to load. And once the Facebook application loads on your iPhone, this is going to load in French language. You can see installing the French language on your iPhone. So this could also work for any other languages you set your Facebook language to. Then you can see this is typical French. Then you see now all I have now is French language. To change back from the language you selected to any other language on your iPhone, all you need to do is click on this menu icon at the bottom right. Then you should see everything written in French, just like this. Now scroll down and click on settings and privacy. So this is in French language, click on that. Then scroll down until you get to the language, the application. That is the language icon. Click on that, that's the global icon. So you need to click on that. Once you click on that, this takes you to the Facebook app settings on your iPhone. Then click on language again, and then choose English, or choose your default English. Once that is selected, come back, and then open the Facebook application. You discover that everything will change back from the preferred language to the newly selected language. See that? Now, don't go yet. Go back to the settings, hit the back button, and then come to the settings page. On the settings page, scroll down and click on General. Now, scroll down to Language and Region. Then don't forget to choose English under preferred language. Then once that is selected, now under preferred language, just swipe left like this, and then click on the continue button from the pop-up to delete the image you added to your iPhone. And this is going to set English language as your iPhone preferred language and any other language available there. But this is going to delete the French language you added while you're trying to change the Facebook language on your iPhone. So that's how you can easily change Facebook language on your iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.